Roll this down. 312, she's fine. Hey, what's going on?
Careful.
Were you sleeping or passed out?
Neither.
Did you guys try to knock on the window or anything?
Yeah.
So they tried to knock on your window a couple times and...
Hold on.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Can he get out, Philip?
Yeah, he's good.
Okay. Can I have your ID, please?
Did I give you my vape?
Sorry, I'm shut.
What did I just... Oh, sorry.
Okay, stop going on your phone. Please give me your ID.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, well, I've asked 3 times for it now.
Well, I'm sorry. I just...
Can you do me a favor, turn the bar off?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sorry, guys. After a long eventful night, come out and deal with more craziness. I really don't think that's anything.
Yeah, you are good at that.
You sure you're okay?
What?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. You too.
Okay.
Is the car registered to you?
Yes, 1000%.
What's your name?
Ella Flock?
Ella Flack?
Yes.
What's your date of birth? Miss Flack, are you from or you just haven't updated your address
I
yet?
have not updated it.
Do you have anyone in town that can come pick you up?
I mean, technically, yes, but
Okay, here's your options, just kind of off the record. You don't...
I swear by life, I have been
Just-
sitting here waiting
just-
for my friend to respond to me.
Okay, let me just finish. You obviously are not fit to drive. So you can either call a friend and have them here in the next 10 or 15
Yeah,
minutes,
yeah.
or I'm going to do a DUI investigation.
Okay. Is there a way for me to possibly get my ID back?
You never gave me your ID. You probably left it at the bar. I would recommend you call a friend ASAP. I'll pick that stuff up for you.
Yeah, I've got them on the phone with me. I've literally emptied out my
Are we able to
wallet
talk to your
you.
friend?
I've emptied out
Can
my
we talk
wallet
to your
you.
friend that's on the phone, allegedly?
Sure. Alicia, where are you?
I'm at home. Do you need me to come get you?
Yes, I do.
Can we talk to her?
Yes.
Who is this?
Alicia.
Hey, Alicia, this is Officer Braun, OPD.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm great.
Where are you located at?
I'm on southwest side of town.
Okay, do you know where the Circle K is? I can give you the address if you want to put it in your phone on the east side.
What the heck?
I can grab an address for sure. Hang on. Is she not okay to drive?
Are you okay to drive? Be honest if you're not.
This is literally 5
No, personally, like...
Okay, you're good. I appreciate it. Alright, your friend's drunk too, so I'm going to need you to step out of the vehicle, okay?
I can call somebody else.
Just step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Okay.
We're going to just do some field sobriety exercises.
Oh, that's no worries. I haven't tried to drive anywhere, so.
Great. Go ahead and step out for me.
Okie doke. That was just the first person I was with, and if anything, I can call somebody else.
Cool. Just go ahead and stand right in front of my vehicle for me.
I can do that.
Take a couple more steps back for me, please. I'm just trying to get you in the
Back or what?
back. Yes, ma'am. I'm just trying to get a good camera view.
Can you update the
Okay,
address
so are you
to
willing to do field sobriety
2507
exercises?
Northeast 3rd Street? That's
Okay,
gonna be
so I'm going to explain the first one to you. It's called the walk and turn. Pretty easy.
Yeah,
I'm going to demonstrate it for you,
Do you want me
okay?
to face this way or face the other way?
You can just stay right where you are with your hands by your side. Okay? So what you're going to do when I tell you to is you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep your foot planted and turn around. And then 9 back. 1, 2, 3. Same thing, and count your steps out loud.
Okay.
Do you understand these instructions?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead whenever you're ready.
9.
Do you need me to explain the instructions again?
No, I said 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you said 9 again?
Okay, I'm going to explain the instructions again
You said
for you.
9 again, turning around.
I'm going to just explain the whole thing for you again, okay? So you're going to take 9 steps down, counting out loud, heel to
Turn around
toe.
and do it again.
Keep 1 foot planted when you get to the end. Turn around, 9 steps back, heel to toe, counting out loud. Do you need me to demonstrate it again? Okay, start whenever you're ready. 'Kay? Okay. So for this one, you're just going to follow the tip of my pen. Just stand how you're standing right now. You're going to follow it with your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay.
Copy at the PD. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the next test or exercise is the one-leg stand. So whichever leg...
Can I pee?
Not right this second.
Okay.
I don't have anywhere for you to
I'm
pee.
sorry, it's cold.
So you're going to pick whichever leg you want. Keep your arms by your side.
Okay.
When I tell you to, you're going to lift whichever leg you choose off the ground about a foot.
Okay.
You're going to count to 30 and look at your foot.
30. Oh.
Do you understand
Can I
this?
pee after?
Sure. Do you
Oh,
understand these
so-
instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start whenever you are ready.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You said 30?
Yeah, you're good. You don't have any medical issues, right?
None.
Any past brain injuries? Any issues with your eyes? Anything that would
First,
prevent you
yeah,
from doing any of these exercises?
None.
Okay.
Civil.
Just have to pee.
Can you say your alphabet without singing it?
Yes?
Just straightforward?
Yes?
All right, let's do it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, I. Oh, God. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, F, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, go ahead and turn around for me, face the car. Okay, so you are being placed under arrest for DUI.
After failing multiple field sobriety tests, including the alphabet and the one-leg stand, Ella is officially placed under arrest. Notice her argument here. She claims she wasn't driving and got there sober. But under the law, having physical control of a running vehicle while intoxicated is still a DUI. How do you think the officer handled her excuses?
It's It's the right. You're right. Just stand right here. Do you have anything on you?
No, ma'am.
All right. I'm just gonna
Not
check your
at all.
pockets.
Not on my at all.
Do you have a phone or something we can grab out of your car?
My phone's in my car.
Okay.
I wasn't going to try to drive. That's why I'm in the parking lot of.
How'd you get here?
I got here sober.
So you drank in the parking lot?
Not at all.
Go ahead and take a seat
Not
for
in the
me.
parking lot. Are you kidding me?
So you got here sober but didn't drink in the parking lot, but somehow you're drunk?
1000%.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
312, 1015.
Jill.
I'm just gonna grab her phone really quick. Oh, should we do the form for the car?
Do you want to...
Recording.
Are you gonna want to take a breathalyzer at the jail?
I don't. Whatever you need me to do, ma'am. I don't know.
313, 1073. Jill.
Account.
312.
1016 so far.
So far.
If there's anyone BTO certified, could I have them 51 to the jail, please?
Jill. 313 emergency. Jill.
Hey, you're okay. Nobody got hurt. It's just a misdemeanor arrest, okay? It's not the end of the world. Yeah, we'll be at the jail in like 5 minutes. We'll get you out of the cuffs, okay?
Jill.
So when I got there, you were in control of the vehicle. It was running.
Yes, ma'am, but it was also in park.
Yeah, but even if the car wasn't on, you can't be in a running vehicle when you're under the influence. That's okay. It's like I said, it's just a misdemeanor. You'll probably be able to just pay some fines and get it off your record, okay? It's not the end of the world. Yeah, I said it's a misdemeanor, so it's not the end of the world. You'll be able to bond out. You'll be able to. It's okay. Don't be too upset. Yeah, I'll explain it more once I can talk to you. That's okay.
Ella later blew nearly double the legal limit, proving Officer Braun's roadside assessment was spot on. This entire incident is a stark reminder that trying to sleep it off in a running vehicle will still land you in handcuffs. What's your take on this stop? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next Bodycam breakdown.